Here I've got LG V60 ThinQ, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, tap on the more icon then, which is 3 dots one in right upper corner, and now go to call settings. And if you would like to block some particular number, just select call blocking and decline with message. And here you can smoothly block some number by tapping on blocked numbers. And now if you click on plus icon, you will be able to pick some contact that you would like to block, some number from your call logs, or you can enter a new number manually, just like that. And then tap on block to do it. And that's it. From now on, this number will not be able to reach you. To delete it, just tap on bin icon, tap on remove, and as you can see, it's no longer listed on your blacklist, and this number will be able to call you or send you a message. You can also block all private numbers by tapping here, and from now on, all unknown callers will be rejected. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.